Hi, it's Zuri. Welcome to our weekly mental wellness check-in. Each week, we'll take a few mindful minutes together to pause, reflect, and reconnect with ourselves. In the middle of our busy schedules, it's easy to overlook how we're really doing emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. This space is designed to help you slow down, breathe, and ask yourself the questions that often get buried under the noise of everyday life. Think of it as your weekly reset, just you, your thoughts, and a few gentle prompts to bring awareness back to your inner world. Before we begin, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably and be fully present. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. As you settle in, reflect on this week's check-in questions. How am I feeling right now truly? Underneath everything else, what has been weighing on my mind or heart? And what is something small that brought me peace, joy, or gratitude this week? These questions aren't about fixing anything, they're about noticing. Awareness is the first step toward healing and growth. If you want, jot down your thoughts in a journal or share them in the comments to connect with others who may be feeling the same. Guided mini meditation. Now, let's take a short guided meditation together. Close your eyes if you can. As you inhale, imagine breathing in calmness and clarity. As you exhale, release tension, doubt, or stress. Continue this rhythm, allowing your breath to guide you back to center. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. Picture a soft light surrounding you, reminding you that you are safe, supported, and enough, exactly as you are right now. Take this moment as a gift to yourself, a reminder that inner peace is always within reach when you pause to look inward. As we close today's check-in, take one more deep breath and notice any small shifts within you, maybe a sense of calm, gratitude, or even just awareness. Remember, mental wellness isn't about being happy all the time, it's about being present and honest with where you are. Each week, we'll explore new themes, reflection questions, and meditations to help you strengthen your emotional resilience and self-compassion. If this session resonated with you, consider subscribing and joining this growing community of mindful reflection. Let's keep showing up for ourselves, one breath, one week, one gentle check-in at a time. Please like and subscribe to Zuri Resilient Network.